Welcome to all the viewers to the present edition of the channel Navodaya Master. At this video, we are discussing about simple future tense. What is simple future tense? Subject plus will or shall. Third item is present form of verb. 3 items. For the subjects I and we have to use shall. If any doubt is here, for all the subjects we can use will. Let us go for instances. I will succeed. I, subject. Second one is will or shall, any one. Third one is present form of verb. So this is correct answer. They shall participate. Is it they shall? Actually shall is not applicable here, so we have to change it as will. Shall only for I and we. Only for I and we have to use. Okay, correct answer is they will. They will. Already written here. For I and we, only for two shall is applicable. She will deliver welcome address. She will deliver. Correct answer. It will carry the luggage. Sometimes donkeys, sometimes camels are used to carry the luggage. Even horses also. It will carry the luggage. So correct answer. We find subject will plus present form of verb. You will escort them. So all the 5 instances are in the blackboard. Here only wantonly written, just to check. Indicators. What are the indicators of this tense? Will or shall plus present form of verb. Present form of verb we call it as first form of verb. So I like to sum up. For the subjects I and we have to use shall, and if any doubt is there, for all the subjects we can use will. Dear viewers, let us do this simple exercise to check the understanding of simple future tense. Fill in the blanks with appropriate words. They dash check him tomorrow. So one word is missing in connection with this simple present tense. So correct answer is will. Will. They will check him tomorrow. You dash write the exam next week. So correct answer in the blank is will. She will dash pack all the materials. Appropriate word in the blank is same thing, pack, because first form of verb or present form of verb should be used in simple future tense. Sparrows will dash chirrup at morning. So what is the correct word of the blank? Chirrup. Same chirrup, because it is present form. The president dash preside over the function. So correct answer is will. The president is he. The president will preside over the function. Indicators of this tense. So what are the indicators? Number 1 is will or shall. Either will or shall. Next one is verb. Which form of verb? Present form. Present form of verb or first form of verb. So kindly go through the description box for notes of this tense. Thank you.